In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy/group trade on Tradovate. By the end, you'll know exactly how to activate the group trade add-on, build your trading group, and place synchronized orders across multiple accounts with confidence. First, let's enable the feature. Open Tradovate and head to Application Settings, then go to Add-ons. Find the option labeled Group Trade and activate it. This add-on is what allows the platform to mirror your orders across the accounts you choose. After turning it on, log out of Tradovate and log back in. That quick restart loads the feature properly, so you'll see the new group trading options where you need them. Next, create your group. Look to the top right of the platform and click the Account dropdown. Choose Manage Groups. In the Groups window, click the plus sign to create a new group and give it a clear, memorable name so you can select it quickly when placing trades. Now add the accounts you want included. You'll see a list on the left. Drag the desired accounts into the right-hand panel for this group. Only include the accounts you want to trade simultaneously. Take a moment to double-check you've added the correct ones before moving on. With the accounts added, configure the lots for each account. Set the number of contracts you want each account to trade when this group is selected. This lets you customize weighting across accounts, so larger accounts can trade more contracts and smaller ones fewer, all from a single order ticket. When you're satisfied with the per-account contract settings, click Save to lock in your group configuration. You're ready to place group trades. From the Account dropdown, select your newly created group. The group behaves like an account target, so any order you place will be distributed across the accounts in the group. One important rule to remember: the total order quantity you enter must be a multiple of the number of accounts in the group. For example, if your group has 3 accounts, enter quantities like 3, 6, or 9, so the platform can divide the order evenly. If you get an error or see a mismatch, adjust the quantity to the nearest valid multiple and try again. That's it. Activate the add-on, log out and back in, create and name your group, drag in your accounts, set each account's contract size, save, and then select the group when placing your orders. Keep an eye on quantities and you'll be copying trades across accounts smoothly.